Hey, I'm Deanna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my process for creating artwork and then transforming those pieces into downloadable art prints, which will be available for sale online. So if you're interested in learning my process, then just keep watching. Every print I sell online begins with a drawing or painting that I create by hand. Today's piece is going to begin with an inspiration photo, a blank piece of paper, and a fine tip marker. I start with a blind contour drawing. It's a method where I look at my subject, not my paper, and then I continuously draw the outline of the shape. With a couple of pieces of painter's tape, I'll tack the paper into place and then prop up my inspiration photo where I can easily see it. The tip of my pen will not leave the paper once I start, and my eyes stay focused on the inspiration photo, and I do not look at the paper as I'm drawing. My eyes trace the contours of this sunflower and my hand follows along. I'm training my eyes and hands to work together purely from observation, leaving behind any learnt imagery. I enjoy the element of surprise, not knowing what the drawing looks like until I'm all finished. Now I will add another layer of complexity, adding contour, color, form, and emotion. Part of the challenge is looking at each line and understanding what it represents from the inspiration photo. These are watercolor pencil crayons that I'll be using to block in colors. When I am finished blocking in the colors, I use a paintbrush dipped in water to blend and soften the watercolor pencil crayons. I work back and forth between the watercolor pencil crayon and the water on the brush until I'm happy with the finished look. Although my works are not photorealistic, I do feel that they capture the essence and personality of the subject matter. Plus, I really enjoy this process. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this style of abstract art? I'm adding a few finishing touches to this art piece, and once it's complete, I'll take a photograph of the art, upload it to my computer, and that's where I'll make the downloadable prints. I do a little bit of editing to the photo and then add a watermark logo to the bottom corner of each print. Once the files are sized and ready, I create a listing in my Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to check out my shop. So I didn't go into too much detail about the technical parts, but if this is something that you're interested in learning about, let me know in the comments below. I think downloadable prints are a great option for home decor. Not only is this an easy way to update your space, but it also saves you time and money by not having to wait and pay for shipping. You just download the file to your home computer, print on your printer, or take it to a local print shop to have printed, and then frame and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to be notified when I upload new videos. If you're on Instagram, you can follow me there at DIY Deanna, where I share a lot of sneak peeks and behind the scenes as I work on projects. Thanks so much for joining me for this video on my downloadable art prints. I'll see you back here next time.